Hello family, welcome back to Reenka kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making rhubarb, celery and ginger swallow. Stay tuned. So I've already removed the back of the ginger, so the next thing is to start blending it. It takes a little bit time for this process to be done. All you need to do is to exercise patience and blend one after the other. Rhubarb is a great source of vitamin K1, which is also good for your bones and blood clotting. Try as much as possible to get the vegetables smoothly blended. That will give you a positive result. At this stage I'm through with the blending, so I'm adding it into the pot and I will start cooking. You can see how smooth it looks like. To be making use of psyllium husk, which is high in fiber. The work of this psyllium husk is to make the vegetable stick together. The next step is to start cooking it. Consistent turning is also expected here in order to avoid getting burnt. This may take a little bit time. Just take your time and keep turning it. I've not also added the psyllium husk yet. It's going to take a little bit time before I can introduce it. About 15 to 20 minutes of turning, I'm going to be introducing the psyllium husk now. Husk can be added into your smoothie and also in a glass of water that one can drink immediately. So you don't really need to check how long you have cooked the psyllium husk. Vegetable swallow is now ready to be served. This is a special food for those who are watching their weight or those who don't like to take carbohydrates anymore. You can actually use this to replace it. It does not take much of your time. These are vegetables that we eat on daily basis. We add it to our salad, we use it to do smoothie, and we also chew it just the way it is. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.